Hi there, welcome to Bitbee. My name is Tirupati Rao. I am an experienced web developer and author of Bitbee. This is the second video of our machine learning course for beginners with Python. As part of this video, we are covering chapters 1.3 to 1.5 under Unit 1, which covers various types of machine learning techniques. Before deep diving, please subscribe to the channel if you are not yet subscribed. Also, please share the channel with your friends. So the first topic is supervised learning. Under supervised learning, the machine learning model was provided with the data, and this input data is labeled data. Here the labeled data indicates that the input data was already named or classified as one of the category. Let's take an example to understand it well. If we consider different kind of fruits which are having different colors, shape and size, we label this data, that is we name these fruits, and then we'll feed it to the machine learning model. Once ML model is trained well with different kinds of labeled fruit data, then we'll test it with random fruits data. So during this process, the ML models know the names of the different fruit, and then it tries to identify and map them through the size, color and texture of different kind of fruits. If you observe in the given diagram, there were different fruits which are labeled, that is fed to the ML model, and we are feeding one of the fruit as test data, and you can see the output is again from one of the mapped or labeled data. So this is how the supervised learning works, and it has various applications like credit card fraud detection, monitoring the medical condition of patient, and the general applications like detecting spammy emails. And finally, supervised learning uses various algorithms like linear regression, logistic regression, support vector machines, decision trees and many more. Now let's dive into the another category, that is unsupervised learning. The unsupervised models works around the unlabeled data. That is, the data fed to the unsupervised models is not a labeled data. If we consider some examples like weather data, customer shopping data, or like a data of a person on social media, all this is unlabeled data, and ML models has to predict from this data without any supervising. Let's take customer shopping data from this. Suppose customer is bought some computer accessories from last 30 days and he is also browsing for some more accessories. We will feed this data to the ML model and we can expect predictions and recommendations for the future shopping. So these predictions not only help the customer for his shopping but also helps e-commerce or online stores to give better ads and serve the customer. You can still wonder how these machine learning models under unsupervised learning can give predictions or recommendations from the unlabeled data. Yes, these models are so powerful that they have to figure it out all of its own. Here, the model uses something called clustering algorithms, which are capable of grouping things that are similar. These clustering algorithms can reveal the patterns from the unlabeled data that we may not see straight away. These models groups things, creates clusters that reveals hidden patterns and insights. That's what we have seen in that customer shopping data example. Following are the some of the examples of clustering algorithms, that is k-means, hierarchical clustering, PC analysis, Gaussian mixture models, and so many are there. That is all about the unsupervised learning. I hope you got the basic point how unsupervised learning works. Now let's explore the last type of machine learning, that is reinforcement learning. Basically, the reinforcement learning is different from supervised and unsupervised learning. If you see the definition, reinforcement learning focuses on training agents through trial and error methods in an environment. That means there is no role of data in this model. Here you can see there are three main components that are playing the role, that is agent, environment and training. If we put them in an order, at first agent takes an action in a given environment. For that action, agent gets the feedback through rewards and observations from the environment. He learns from the given feedback and the rewards. Also, agent improves himself through the time and repetitions. So in case of reinforcement learning, instead of data and machine learning model, we will have an agent and environment. If you take an example of computer player which plays against the human, the computer has trained through the game through repetitions, then it improved itself over the time. Similarly, other examples like traffic sensing and a chatbot predicting the next words we are going to type, like there are so many examples of reinforcement learning. I hope now you are in a situation to understood what are different kind of machine learning techniques. That's all about these chapters. We'll see you in the next.